Okay, so welcome to the video in Beijing, and today I am at Xiangshan outside here of Beijing. It's like 40 minutes up by taxi, and I haven't been here before, and I actually haven't been hiking in Beijing or hiking in general for a while. I used to do it a lot in Hong Kong, have a lot of nice videos. You don't see me so much in those videos back in the day, but a lot of drone footage. And I heard you can actually go here just outside of Beijing, and I realized you can also eat all these kind of small restaurants here in the background here, which I didn't know, because actually it's not allowed to eat inside the restaurants now. So I had breakfast earlier, some oats to get some fuel and get started. But I've never been here before, so I'm gonna go and explore a bit, take you guys along. Hope you enjoy it, so see you very soon. It's very noisy in the background here, but it's actually really nice. All these small restaurants. Next time I will definitely not eat breakfast at home. I'm gonna grab something here. But I actually saw walking around here those dojang that I talked about last time that I wanted to try. I think I'm gonna have one here in the background just to try that for you guys. Okay, so we got this YOUTIAO here, almost kind of like a donut that I was actually looking for last weekend. We got people selling stuff in the background. It's actually very nice here with all these green leaves. Definitely summer, and a lot of nice stores around. So I'm gonna walk up here. So many things to explore. Really looking forward also when restaurants open again, so you can actually sit down and relax. You don't have to eat outside, but I'm gonna look around a little bit here and enjoy this first. So I will show you what it tastes like. Okay, so let's see if I can try that for you guys. Quite oily. YOUTIAO, I think, literally means like oil stick, basically. Definitely not the healthiest breakfast, that's for sure. But since I was talking about it last time, I figured I just wanted to show you guys a little bit here. It's some sort of fluffy thing. Let's try it out. Definitely not sweet. I think you can actually buy this with like sugar on top as well. This one doesn't really have that. Oily. Very nice. It's like a bit oily bread. Not too bad. Yeah, oily food definitely keeps you full for longer, so I'm gonna just finish this up and I will get going. Yeah, so walking up here and kind of passing by this local village on the way up, not too far. I think this whole route is only like 13 kilometers. Maybe I'll show a bit on the screen here, but you gotta walk through these kind of small areas. I guess it's kind of the closest you get to travel. It's still in Beijing, but still very, very different than downtown that I was like 2 hours ago. Very quiet, and I'm gonna go up here, I guess, to the top. I'm not sure. First time I'm kind of walking on here, but very, very nice to explore. You have all these local people sitting in the background. So very nice to take you guys along. Very nice walking up the hill here with some local music in the background. Just love to experience the local culture when exploring, and also walking up, getting the pulse of a bit. It's not super steep, but definitely can feel it compared to just walking on the flat Beijing. And I actually realized you can see a bit of Beijing in the background here. Maybe you'll see better later, but still you can see kind of the skyline here. Earlier this week I also reached my fitness goal to up some body fat, but you're gonna continue walking, get in shape and being active. So just love to explore the local areas and culture while doing it. So I'm gonna continue walking here, see what we can find. Yeah, definitely a lot of different tracks you can take here, but it just feels great to be out in the nature and see some flowers and greenery. Definitely perfect weather now as well. It was actually hailing yesterday lunchtime, like snow. It was like 29 degrees 2 days ago, then almost like snow during lunch. And now it's warm again. He said maybe it was going to be rain and like 9 degrees, but I don't think so. So definitely perfect timing to be out and just enjoying nature a bit. In the background we even have some exercise equipment here, some places to pull ups, and even some barbed wire to protect it. Very precious. No, it's definitely starting to get a little bit more steep. Nothing crazy, but still you get the pulse up here. I've definitely been missing this type of cardio and so on. I think I'm gonna switch up actually some weekend walks or runs to do this instead. Especially it's so easy to get there, like 40 minutes or 1 hour. Get out, you have a walk maybe like 2 hours, get back, you have lunch after. Very, very nice. I think this might be start of a new series or something, sort of beyond the losing weight part. Now just building up more stamina cardio and lower the pulse by getting better for the heart, the cardiovascular level. and of course building muscle at the same time, eating right. So I'm very happy I came here. I think this is the start of something very good to come. I definitely managed to pick a pretty weird and incorrect D route, I'm sure, but at least you have some pretty cool views here. You see all of Beijing in the background. I think I have to kind of walk around this wall here and see if we can find a better way to continue. Okay, so after that, a bit of a failure and deroute, I am hopefully back on track, and it's a nice pagoda here in the background, but important to just hydrate a bit here. And even though I'm behind on schedule, at least the good thing is I have 9,000 steps in. I can barely speak. So that's another sign that I probably need to carb up and get some sugars in. So I brought some apples with me, very healthy, very nice snack. So yeah, nothing beats just some quick carbs, some great sugars when you're out walking in the nature. So I'm gonna take a bite here, enjoy it. Whew, so refreshing. I can't complain about the views here. It even looks like a nuclear power plant down there, but I'm not sure, maybe not. Would be pretty strange, I guess, but very nice here. Mixing nature with residential areas in the outskirts of Beijing. Kind of reminds me a little bit on the border between Xiangshan and Hong Kong when I was living down there and walking around actually like almost a year ago. Very nice. Oh, here's another hiker in the background. That must mean we're on the right track. Seems to be kind of a lot of military installations here, or at least there's a lot of restricted areas. Otherwise, normally, well, I actually brought my drone and I really like to fly it, but it's not possible here. There's a lot of kind of fences everywhere, but I'm just gonna walk around anyway, just enjoy the view, but I guess no drone today. I will definitely not end up the same place as I started, which I think was the plan for the beginning, but well, you gotta adapt to the environment and what's changing. At least nice to get some nature, and there's definitely other people around here, so I'm gonna walk down now, see how many steps we get in the end. I was walking down the mountain here and just happened to find this dam in the middle of nowhere here. A lot of other people also apparently came to see it, and you can eat a bit of a snack in the background. There's a small store there. Very nice view, but I'm just gonna continue walking downwards. Hopefully I can find my way back, we'll see. But I'm clearly not the only one just coming here to see this. Nice nature in the background. Definitely reminds me of Hong Kong, and it's actually quite interesting because the name of this mountain is Xiangshan, like the Fragrant Mountain, and the name of Hong Kong is Xiangshan, the Fragrant Harbor. So quite interesting connection there. Hello. Ni hao.
Hello. Your Chinese is pretty good.
Wow. Ooh, a lot of kids and people in the background. They're very nice. Bye bye. Yeah, they asked me to join them, have some food, but I need to stick to my diet. I'm gonna continue walking back here. Very friendly, ask where I'm from. That's what I really like when you meet people out like this. You never know what you're gonna get, but now I'm gonna try to get back and have Chinese class. Okay, so I finally made it back here. It definitely took a bit longer than I planned due to some mistakes along the way, but I got in 13 kilometers actually, according to this at least, and 19.9k steps. So just back here at the entrance, I'm just gonna take a taxi back. But if you wanna see more of this kind of stuff, me exploring random hikes and other places around Beijing, not just like food all the time, but maybe a little bit still, let me know. If so, give me a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.